This problem asks us to find the volume of a sphere. So it says find the volume of a sphere given a radius of 21. In this case, the units are inches. That's actually all we need to find the volume of a sphere is either the radius or the diameter. Now I wrote down this particular version of the volume of the sphere. This might be a little bit hard to read, so I'm gonna copy down the formula again. I always suggest copying down the formula anyway. So the volume of a sphere is equal to 4/3 times pi times this is the radius, that might be hard to see, the radius cubed. So in this case, I'm going to take 4/3. Usually for pi, we use an estimation of 3.14. And then I'm going to take the radius, and it tells me the radius is 21. I won't put the units on here, but we'll remember that we're taking the units inches times inches times inches, so that's why we're going to end up with cubic inches when we're done. So we have to cube that. Now the important part is knowing how to handle this on your calculator. If you have a fraction key, it might be best to put in 4/3 as a fraction. If you put it in as a decimal, you have to be careful of round-off error because 4/3 is 1.33333 forever. I'm going to enter it just as a division problem, so I'm going to use my left parenthesis and enter it as 4 divided by 3 in parentheses like that. 4/3 times 3.14, and then I have to multiply it by 21 cubed. So you have to know how to enter exponent on your calculator. Every calculator is a little bit different. On this calculator, I use this little up arrow. It's called a caret. And hit that and then put in the 3. And then hit the enter key. And I get, let's see, let me put equal sign here, equals 38,772.72, whoops, battery's running low, 72 inches, and then the units would be cubic inches. And then you have to read carefully. Maybe it wants you to round to, if they wanted you to round, say, to the nearest tenth, we'd say 38.772.7 cubic inches. We'll put a squiggly equal on this. Actually, we'll put a squiggly equal because pi is an approximation anyway. So this is approximately 38,772, 38,772.72, I should say.